Hey Han, since the US-Iran war started, I noticed that the markets have been choppy, even for gold. But Bitcoin has been holding up. So, what's happening?
During a time of war, you expect so-called safe haven assets such as gold to really get a lot of interest and hold up, right? But this war is a little bit different. What we're seeing is the war creating an oil supply shock. Many Asian countries, central banks, governments were using their trade surpluses to buy gold. But if oil increases, you have a lot less surplus to play with and therefore a lot less gold to play with. So that's causing a kind of structural shift in demand for gold, which is also causing, retail traders to go, hey, look, if this is not happening, I better get out of this position. I might be margin called elsewhere. I better get out of gold. And that's what's caused gold to drop quite precipitously this past month. Bitcoin is interesting because we're now starting to see the benefits of having a non-governmental asset which can be traded, bought, sold digitally without having to worry about physical supply chain disruptions. I can move things around quite quickly online. So institutions are starting to put their money back into Bitcoin, a place where they can trust that, hey, look, I can actually get the stuff. I don't have to worry about physical settlement. And there are many individuals in the Middle East who are also discovering this, right? I can use Bitcoin if I want to move my wealth out of the region, a very scary region right now, to other places.
So, is this a good time to invest in Bitcoin?
In this time of uncertainty, Bitcoin has shown its resilience and value in a way that we all expected, which is not tied to a specific government's actions and yet can be settled without having to worry about physical supply chains being disrupted. So if you're considering investing in an asset which can have a lot of upside potential and not very correlated, now is probably a good time to consider it for the long term.